Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. Another fun delivery came by my way from DHL. Let's open it up, shall we? Could it be a wearable? When in doubt, look for a reason to use a knife. Just slice right across the... and... oh. That was it. And no TPK in case you're wondering. Kershaw is not a sponsor. All right. Well, I did not expect this to be coming today. Sweet. A Amazfit, a Zap brand. Brave Your Adventure. This is the Amazfit T-Rex in ocean blue. Sweet. Thank you so much for sending me a replacement. Oh, that's some nice ASMR right there. Ooh. For every Amazfit T-Rex 2 Ocean Blue Special Edition sold, Zepp Health commits to donate $10 USD to support the Coral Guardians' efforts to protect and restore coral ecosystems. That's awesome. And they even have a QR code on back to follow. That's nice. I will follow that. Oh, that's nice. Okay, you got to see this from my view. Yes. I almost forgot. Thanks, Malacqua. Knife safety. That embossing, beautiful. I don't know what's in there. We'll find out. Again, hashtag Brave Your Adventure. I like the blue color, and it has specks of white in there. Yeah, I'm digging the color. Different buttons, it looks like, from my last one. Okay, let's peel this off. Okay, quiet on set. Very nice. Or is it select? So that's going to boot up. What else do we have in the box? That's a false bottom. Nothing in there. I'm going to choose English. Download the mobile app. I already did. Nice. And manuals. But I like that they include them. But we'll just put those back in the box. Is it frustration free? Yes, that was pretty easy. Looks to be a similar charging cable that I had with my last T-Rex. So it's at 65% out of the box. I'm gonna plug it into my Momax lamp right here because it has a USB-A port. I know, shameless plug. And no, Momax did not ask me to say that. So this, oh, we have another cover. And another cover. And then that should just suction right on. Is it bi-directional? Nope, one way. Nice little charging animation, I must say. Thinks it's Saturday. So now we just need to connect that to my app. Funny enough, since I loaned out my Falcon, I did not... Wow, that was March 2nd. That was a few months ago. So now we can click plus and watch. Connecting the device, keep phone close. Onboarding process is critical, right? Accept the binding requests. Yes, binding. I like that terminology. My watch has now been bound successfully. The device to be enabled does not support Zepp Coach. If the original device supports Zepp Coach is available, but will not sync data to the app. And synchronize account information. Welcome to the Amazfit T-Rex. Your device is ready. That was fast. Swipe down. All right, and charging. It's 1929. It's now 2008. And, ooh, there's an update. New update, yes. Ocean blue, special, detailed, optimized. Yeah, very fine. That screen. This looks brighter than the last one I had. I really like the blue. Yes, going to be very colorful this week as I test both these new watches. This is the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar in flame red. So we have flame red, ocean blue, volcano, ocean. Guess I need to move to Hawaii. That's kind of in a flame red color. Just like that, the update is done. Preparing. Okay, almost done. And there we go. Now it's done. 98%. So not bad. It went from 65 to almost 100 in less than an hour. It says the total charge time could be up to 2 hours, but update notes, yep. Bring you optimized version, sweet. Fix bugs for swimming, fix bugs for power consumption. Touchscreen, nice. Very easy to scroll. What's my workout status? None. I like that screen. Ooh. That looks like a new one. I don't remember that watch face before. That's pretty cool. Kind of digging that. That one looks familiar. That one looks new. That one I like. I'm gonna have to go with this one. Yeah, I like that. Nice big digits. Battery life, 99%. Come on. Battery saver. No. Automatic brightness. Yes. Buttons are nice. Easy to press. Touchscreen, great. It's an Amazfit, or is it Amazfit? You tell me. There's a lot of controversy around the pronunciation. Yay, it just hit 100%, so it's updated. Take off my Apple Watch, which I've been wearing all day, and we'll put this on. Whoa, whoa. My wrist size is just under 7 centimeters. Did I say centimeters? 7 inches. Band is pliable. I like it. You know, should do a smell test. It smells like a new watch band. It smells like recycled. That looks nice. And battery life, 100%. We'll see if it lasts 24 days, right? Go to settings, watch face, sound and vibration, preferences, system, about, restart, shutdown, love it. Believe it or not, not all watches have a shutdown feature. Time format, date format. I like a nice smooth touchscreen. Okay, let me use this and re-familiarize myself with the T-Rex 2 Special Edition, Ocean Blue. And thanks for donating $10 to help our oceans.